Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit is a straightforward piece of software that protects your system's vulnerable points from web-based attacks. The installation procedure takes little time to finish and does not need special attention from the user. At startup, Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit creates an icon in the system tray area and activates the protection status. You can bring up the main application window to view total shielded applications, blocked exploit attempts, and quarantined files. In the secondary tab you can view the list of third-party applications that can be guarded by Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit. It includes Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Opera, Java, Adobe Acrobat, Microsoft Office Tools, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, VLC Media Player, and so on. All activity is recorded to a log window. Selected entries can be excluded from the list as well as cleared. It is possible to create exclusions when it comes to guarded applications. There are no other notable features provided by the application. Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit runs on a barely noticeable amount of CPU and RAM, so it is not a concern to the computer's overall performance. Since it minimizes to the taskbar, it does not interfere in the user's regular activity. I didn't experience any issues during my evaluation, as the app didn't hang, crash, or display any error dialogues. All in all, Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit is a simple yet effective tool for safeguarding programs against e-threats. Since it does not comprise a complex configuration set, the tool is accessible for advanced users as well as rookies. See you next video, and now some music.